In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WhatsApp desktop app. By the end, you'll have the app installed on your computer, ready for use. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection, a bit of free storage space, and permission to install apps on your device. If you're on a work computer, you might need admin access. First, go to the official WhatsApp desktop website. It's important to use the genuine site so you're getting the safe, up-to-date installer. If you're not typing the address directly, search for WhatsApp Desktop Download and choose the official result. Look for a secure connection indicator in your browser and avoid third-party download pages to prevent outdated or bundled installers. Once you're on the site, click the download button that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Pick the option that matches the computer you're currently using. If you're unsure, most modern PCs use 64-bit Windows, and Macs will automatically receive the correct build from the official page. The website may also detect your system and suggest the right download for you. Your browser will start downloading the installer file. If you're prompted to save or keep the file, confirm it. The download typically lands in your Downloads folder. Let it finish completely before moving on. You can check the progress in your browser's download manager. The file name usually looks like whatsappsetup.exe on Windows or a .dmg file on Mac. When the download is done, open the installer. You can click the file directly from your browser's download panel or open your Downloads folder and double-click it there. On Windows, you may see a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow changes. Choose Yes to continue. On Mac, double-click the .dmg to open it. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The installer will guide you step by step. On Windows, you'll typically see an Install button. Click it and allow the process to run. On Mac, you may be shown a window asking you to drag the WhatsApp icon into your Applications folder. That's the standard Mac installation flow. Accept any license terms if prompted and keep the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them. Finally, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar during this process. Once it's done, the installer may close automatically, and the WhatsApp icon will appear in your Applications or Start menu and possibly on your desktop. That's it. WhatsApp Desktop is now installed on your computer.